Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer night.
What up, good people? I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping through and joining me today. I hope you'll enjoy this content and will actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffins. All right, y'all. So today we have another crochet installation. And I'm going to be reviewing this very popular Yanky twist style, crochet style. I got this hair from a company called Crochet Braids Plus. I do believe it is a black-owned company. You've probably been seeing these Yanky twists all over the YouTube streets, TikTok, Instagram, all over the place. These have become some very popular crochet hair. Now, I have probably had this hair over 6 months. More closer to a year now. Like, it's been a while since I purchased this hair, and I just kind of had it sitting around. I would just have other crochet styles to do, and this one just kept getting pushed off, so I just hadn't gotten to it. So I'm glad I finally got to it because I absolutely love this hair, y'all. So since I'm going to give you all of the details during the video, I'm just going to go ahead and dive right on into the unboxing and the installation of this crochet style. Alright, y'all, so let's get into the unboxing. This is how the hair came packaged, and they also included a care card which included multiple braiding options for your foundation. This is the hair straight out of the package with very nice springy curls, and I absolutely love this color combination. This was also one of the 5 bundles they included in this package, which was plenty of enough hair for a full installation. Now, for my braiding foundation, I decided to do very small braids in the front for a total of about 16 braids in the front. I also had 1 anchor braid going across the nape with 4 braids in the middle. Now I'm just going to oil and moisturize my scalp using this Jamaican black castor oil that I have put into an applicator bottle for easy application. This oil actually keeps my scalp moisturized for a lengthy period of time, so it is a holy grail and something I go to all the time. I am clearly making a mess here in the front, but you can easily do that with this oil, so just be very careful. I am like over applying, but I just love this product and I want to make sure that my scalp is completely moisturized. So for the installation, I'm going to start with that anchor braid and just kind of go all the way around that braid that's going across the nape of my neck. I tend to always go across that braid first just to make sure that it's completely covered in case I want to put the hair up into a ponytail. As you can see, the crochet hair is very small. It's like individual pieces of the curly hair. So you have to pretty much put the hair or install the hair pretty close together so that you don't have a whole lot of gappage, because these are some very small pieces. It does have a pre-loop, which makes it easy. Now this is how the hair looks as I have gone across the entire anchor braid going across the nape of my neck. Now I'm just going to continue on with the front portion. I prefer to start in the front to make sure that I have enough hair in the front, because I can always just kind of fill in gaps in the back, and so will the hair in the front if I don't have enough. Alright, so I didn't want to bore you with the whole installation video because I've done a ton of installation videos on my channel regarding crochet. Check out the playlist up here. I got a whole playlist on crochet hair and crochet installation, so feel free to check those out if you're interested in more detailed type of videos. So for this one, I just wanted to keep it simple. I absolutely love this hair. I thought it was a very simple and easy installation. It took no time at all. The bulk of my time was on braiding my own hair, my own foundation, before installing the hair. Installing the hair like took no time. I literally installed it right before I left for a flight. Like, I started it one night and then I finished it the next morning before I had to get on the plane. Like, it was that easy, that simple. That's also the reason why I had to cut the installation portion of this video short, because the sister had to get out the dough. So I didn't show this on camera, but I did do some chopping. I just kind of cut some layers so that the hair frames my face. I always recommend that you do that with any hair, like especially curly hair. Just make sure it frames your face. You don't want it to just be all one long dimension. It's a little blah blah and boring. Definitely recommend that you chop that joint up and just add a few little layers here and there, and it comes out nice. So yeah, don't be scared of scissors, y'all. Scissors, like, you can repair any mistakes. So I also love how natural this looks. I decided to do very small braids in the front so that it would appear natural. I just feel like this looks super natural, y'all. Like, yeah, you can see that I do have this braided, but like when it's laying like this, it just looks like it's mine. Like, I feel like it looks super natural. Normally I have a wider gap when I have crochet hairs, when my braids are further apart, but doing them closer, it makes my spaces a lot more close together. So yeah, that's a nice little tip that I had never even done myself, and now I might be doing that from now on. Making my braids a little smaller in the front so that it's not, you know, so spread out. Yeah. Now, I didn't mention this in the beginning, but the color hair that I have is in brown sugar, and it's actually a combination of 1B, 30, and 27. So you see the dark 1B at the roots, and then it comes down into the 27 in the middle, and then the ends are in that 27 color. Very pretty combination, color combination. This hair is also in 12 inches. But of course I chopped it up. I mean, it did come down to about here when I had it all like one length. It was about here. And I just started chopping it up throughout the hair. I just felt like it's more manageable this way. I absolutely love this style. Like, it's super convenient. Not a lot of maintenance involved whatsoever. Like, if you want easy breezy, get up, shake that thing, and get out the door, this is the one. You don't have to do a whole lot of work. I do recommend just making sure your edges are intact in case, you know, the wind blows. That's just always my tip. Just make sure your edges are intact and looking decent. But yeah, this was an easy style for me, y'all. And I normally don't keep my crochet in too long. But this one has been going on about 2 weeks now, maybe 2.5, 3, something like that. Yeah, but I'm actually about to take them out right now. Like, I'm doing this video the day I'm taking it out. Like, I forgot to come back and do my intro and outro. I'm so transparent and honest, y'all. Just, hey, I am just honest. That is the Leo in me. I'm very honest. I just tell it like it is. This is the truth. Like, I did not finish this video and do an intro, outro, so I had to come back to do that for y'all, okay? And give you some additional styling. So stay tuned for that as well. All right, so let's get into the price. I just had to look this price up, and I'm thinking to myself, did I pay that? That's terrible. I don't even remember paying this much, but let me give you the price anyway. According to their website right now, this price is $219. I was like, did I spend that much on this hair? I just don't recall, but it's been so long ago, and I'm an impulse shopper, so if I see something, like, I have to buy it right then and there, or I'll forget about it. I'd rather have it and forget about it than not buy it and forget about it, which doesn't make any sense, but that's how I operate. I mean, that's just me being honest. Like, I bought it, and yeah, I knew I wanted it, so I was like, let me go on and get it. And then I just kind of let it sit around forever. But yeah, this joint say $219. I must have did like Afterpay or something where I did the monthly installments. That's the only thing that would make sense for me, but that is an option, you know, if you're interested. So that's pretty much all I have on this beautiful crochet hair for y'all today. Of course, you know, I want to know your thoughts as always, so let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair down in the comments. Is this something you would try? Is this something you would purchase? I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I appreciate it as always. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
Can't deny, love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood.